Hello friends, welcome to my channel on Advanced Excel. Now today's video is basically the extension of my video number 28, where we have seen how we can have a dynamic drop list putting index and match and offset together. And in this video I am going to show you 7 different ways of achieving the same result. And the challenge we had faced in that video was the moment I change here the month, the total for that one has to appear over here. Okay, now I have already taken the totals for the purpose of brevity, but assume that these totals are not there and you want to total this months using certain formulas. Then how you can go about this? So in today's video we will see 7 different ways in addition to the one we have seen in video number 28. Okay, so I am just restoring to April now because I am going to show you these 7 different ways of achieving the same result. Just to save me some time on selecting those ranges or arrays, I have given names to all these arrays, and here it is. Say to this months, I have given a name month, MON. Then for this individual month, now this particular name will be useful when I built a match formula. Then I have given separate names to this months. So like for say here it is, say Jan. So this will be useful when I will show you how to build a choose with month. And I have given name to this particular array, and this will help me in my index column, and that name is month data. Okay, so let's begin with this 7 different ways. First way is using sum with index and match. Now there are 2 versions in this. In this first version, we will see how we can use index and match keeping that row argument blank. So is equal to sum time index time, my array is month data, then my row number I am keeping it blank, and for column I am saying match. Lookup value is this. My lookup array I have given a name month, and my match type is exact match. I have completed parenthesis for match. I am completing it for index, and will close it for sum and enter 39,440, 39,440. Coming to the next. So in this case I have kept that row argument blank. Now in this second version we are going to put some value in that row argument. So is equal to index time, my array is month data MOND. Then I'll just move this slightly here, month data. Then my row number, now I want to move 1 row down. Okay, so this is the first thing, this is the first row for the purpose of index. This one is because now it has captured that range, so I'm giving 1 here. Okay, comma, my column number is going to be match, again this, comma, lookup array is MON, and my match type is 0. And now if I hit control enter, it is fetching this 6770 record. Okay, but we do not want just 6770, we want index and match to select this whole range. So very simple, I am selecting this formula and I am giving semicolon, then control V, and instead of 1 I am giving 12 here, and now I am pressing control enter. Sorry for this notification. And now I am pressing control enter. Okay, now it's giving me value, but if I press F2 and F9, then you will see that this index and match, they have selected this range, and that's what we exactly want. Control Z, and now I'll simply prefix sum to this, SUM tab, control enter. So in this first index and match we have kept that row argument blank, and in this second index and match we have put a value there that is from first row to 12th row, and then we have combined it with sum to get the result. So that is the second approach. In third approach we are using choose and month. Now we know that choose always asks for index number, and that index number will be generated by month. So is equal to month time So because it's an April, it is giving me 4. And now I'll say sum tab, choose tab. The index number is given by month, and I have given names to all those months. So I'll simply say Jan, Feb, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. I close parenthesis for choose, and I am closing parenthesis for sum and control enter. So here it is. So with choose month and sum we can achieve the result. Then by HLOOKUP, now for HLOOKUP, using HLOOKUP by itself, we already have this sum for the purpose of clarity, so that no results are comparable. So you can do it with HLOOKUP when the totals are already taken. So is equal to HLOOKUP. Lookup value is this. Table array is going to be this. My row number is going to be 14. HLOOKUP asks for row number, and it is going to be exact match, and control enter. Here it is. Now HLOOKUP with array. So again we'll start with HLOOKUP tab. My lookup value is the same. My table array is also the same. But now I am not selecting this total row where I have taken this total. I am only selecting this array and my row index number, because it's an array formula that we want to make. I am opening this curly brackets. Now this first row, it contains a lookup value, and my data is beginning with row number 2. So I will just say 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, and it is going to be exact match. So 0, and I have completed parenthesis for HLOOKUP and control shift enter. 6, 7, 7, 0. But if I hit F2 and press F9, you will see it has perfectly selected that entire range. 67706 at 05 till 8992, and rest are zeros because there are no values in that. So control Z, and we will simply prefix sum, and again control shift enter, and 39440. The next is using sum with offset and match. So I will start with offset first. My reference is this. This is my starting point. So this is basically a 0. Then my row is going to be 1. For column I am using match this. Lookup array, we have given it a name. Match type is 0. I am completing parenthesis for match, and now the result of this is going to be, say, April. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So it is going to take total of May, but because we want April, I am subtracting 1 from here. So this is over. Height will be 12 because there are 12 rows to be added, and width will be 1 because at any given point of time we are taking total of only 1 month. I am completing parenthesis and control enter. It's giving me value. I am okay with that. Prefix with sum and control enter. So offset and match, and again sum product is equal to sum product tab. Now I am starting with double negative and a logical question: how many of you? So I have given it a name month. How many of you is equal to this month? Okay. Now if I highlight this particular stretch of function and press F9, it's giving me ones and zeros, and that's what we exactly want. And simply my array 2 is my total row where I have taken the total. Complete parenthesis, control enter. So this is how we can achieve the same result in these 7 different ways. And let me just show you. If I change this to August, it is taking the total of August. So this is how you can do. Now in this video or in this Excel sheet, in the next Excel sheet I am giving all these formulas of all those text. So if you are stuck somewhere, you can simply refer this and try to make your formulas again. So friends, this brings me to the end of the video. I am giving link to download this Excel file in the description box. And again, thanks for all your views. Do give me a thumbs up and hit that bell icon so that you are alerted about my upcoming videos. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye.